one of your cases. DC came home wearing a wristwatch.
I want you to set up a surveillance. He may take us to the criminals.
I don't have any experience in tailing cats.
For that matter, who does?
Time is not on our side. Word is move and move swiftly. We're going to be following an informant whose information may or may not prove to be reliable. However, it could lead us to the Miller kidnappers. DC Randall, nationality Siamese, sex male.
You want us to follow a cat?
That's the assignment.
I've got him.